Day 2, 3, 4, 5 of cleaning. Look at all this. See. Go down. Dukan go down. What thaibo guy? All spoiled. Through level je. This is the water level. Cake base kata. So we like cake base kumane ba cake box. Look at this. See. See. Cake base kumba box kumba loy thammane basda. Okay. Atumli thangdang are langman milaga sada thini. Your friend khani lamjo ne. Snishnai we. All season में भाई मी मज़ा लग नहीं वो मंगवा छोड़
जाके सीधा गाड़ी में जाना चालू कर आपको ये
नहीं बात ला उश ले जाने all gone all wasted what to do hibbing ya season भाई रेसे birthday text being here
भाई बिंगे पूरा है
छोटा सा होगा तो क्या है
रिंग लाइट का यार है थर्मोकोल से पूरा लो थर्मोकोल ऐसे से थर्मोकोल
अब थर्मोकोल पाउसिंग मिला ता लुंग दे जे बर्थडे टेक्स पिंग जे हिना सेकंड ट्रिप रे फर्स्ट ट्रिप अजे बा शेयर गन सेकंड ट्रिप खंखाव मरे see this house birthday text ping je birthday text ping je happy birthday this house lang man he shashini mil ga sa sangsat do no mang no bing le atum na jot khai dau la lên sao bố là hello guys, don't tell me I did not work. Look at this. Look at how dirty I am right now. I'm taking a break so that I can show you all how much we have actually lost. Look at this. This day is almost all the household are cleaning and it's never ending. I think this is the 8th day we are working. And see, we still have lots to clean. This part, it's 80% complete. And look at the clothes. It's still hang care. This is not washed yet. And luckily, our neighbors landed this beautiful monster so that we can remove all those unwanted stuffs. Look at this. Hush. And it was raining, so I'm all wet. Hey, huh? I will update you more about it later because right now I'm so dirty. I wanted to show you the inside of our house. The shop has been running smoothly now, and so many customers have also started coming. So thanks to them. And thanks to all my friends, thanks to the neighbors who have lended us this and for lending us a helping hand. Chalo, I'm gonna start working now. See you after some time. The truck has been full. It's round 2 of dumping. Let's go. Mai, adare. Chalo. Let's go dump this shit. It stinks, yo. Let's go.
एक और है नहीं बढ़ाओ तो तुम बहुत है
For my thumbnail. Screenshot thumbnail.
वाला क्या मिलेगा चला आ जाओ हां हां हां
Good morning, guys. This is officially the next day and previous night. I finished up the work late, so I could not update you more about it. And this is me again with the same dress over and over again. But you know, guys, I've washed it with Dettol and Surf Excel, so I'm smelling good. I smell Surf Excel right now. And this is the condition of the room now. Check this out, guys. This room was flooded with water, flooded with stuffs. And we took it out everything and we have dumped it in the dumping area. And this is the first room, guys. Check this out and look at this water level. This is the water level. See, it's above me, man. How deep it was. So this is the first room. I'm going to show you the second room. This is the second room. See, we still have more stuff here. And this is the third room. So yesterday, previous night, this was flooded with mud all over. And I think my dad took it out everything. And you know what? The smell was horrible. The rotten of the paper, you know, it was really, really horrible. And we could have never done it without the helping hands of our friends. So thank you to all my friends who have helped me. And you know what, guys? Since the day of the flood, many of my friends helped me. I went to their house to eat, to sleep. My friends have helped me a lot. So I thank you, each and every one of you all, for helping me and for lending me a hand. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart and from my family members. So I think this is the mud my dad took it out. Whew. So let me show you all the interior of the old house, of how much progress we have gone. So let's go and check it out. Hey, huh? So guys, this is the entrance. This machine have helped us a lot. This is our sofa seat. I've washed it and kept it here so that the water will drip it down. And you know what, guys? Look what this gun has done to my feet. Look at this. Can you see, guys? See, hey, see. Got hurt real bad. It's dangerous. So this is the entrance. And let's go inside the command room. This is the command room. This is what the situation looks right now. And this is the first room. Look at this. All gone. It was soaked for more than 10 days, so it's all gone now. This is the second room. The beds are left to dry, the almiras, the wooden almiras, everything. And this is the condition of the door. More like a guitar. Dun, 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 dun. See. Look at this door. All gone. And this is the third room. Look at this. How dirty this is. The doors See. Oof. We all need to replace this. You can't even close the door, yeah? And during this flood, I got so many cuts. Recently I got this and this. Wait, this. So many more. This. Ish. Cuts all over. And this is the kitchen. I started settling here. Makhana. Look at this. 2 washing machine needs to repair. So this is the condition. Hey, we all have to restart. So that's the update. Now I'm going to my friend's house and help them because yesterday they have helped me. Meanwhile, let me show you the other side of the room. Other side of the house. So this is the new side building. So this is what we have seized. The oven, the fridge, and all the cake molds. Over here. I don't know what this is. I think this is a cake stand with a chandelier. So one of my sister's stuff is sleeping here as for now. And this is our food color. The chair. I don't know what are this. And this is all gone. Look at this. So this is the other room. We got more boxes here. Fruit crush, mango ga, and so many more. I don't know what are all this. But walnut here. So if any of you guys need cake essentials, you can contact us. And this is the main shop. And while they are fixing the camera, this is the shop.
Yeah.
Chalo guys, I'm going. Look at this, how dirty this is. Look at the sanitation. Collectors waiting for them to collect it. Hush. See. Most of the people, all the household, they are working. Hello guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.